Assalamu alaikum everyone, and welcome back to the Lunar Classic update today. So my technical target is pretty much met, and we've already come up to the launch price. In yesterday's video I told you we're looking for 8,000, and you actually got it overextended all the way to 9,866. That video got 460 views. Guys, come on, I don't like it, all this hard work for such a small audience. I think by now it's been years, maybe 1 year, that I've been talking about Lunar Classic, and almost 90% of the things have been playing out. So I don't know if 400 people watching. I mean, yeah, I do this for you, but I think there are a lot of people that should be watching this video. I don't know why I'm not still being pushed by YouTube or something. This is pretty weird. And anyways, right, so Lunar Classic right now has probably met the target at the moment. So today it's quite important to see what happens from this point onwards. I do believe there was this stop loss somewhere here, and that stop loss has been taken away right there. So there's a little bit of a this box here that is a resistance for Lunar Classic at the moment. So if I do drop it down, we can analyze that from this point you went down, from that point you went down, from this point as well you went to the downside. So 3 touches, a pretty much confirmed trend line. If you do extend the trend line, that is where you are getting rejected. So however, in the next 14 hours, if you want to continue any higher, it's going to be important to probably break above here to go to 10,000 and retest 9,000, and then finally push. But I do believe that is meant to happen. It's bound to happen that you are looking to break, whether you do it today or come down and do it in the future. This has to be broken, and the reason why it has to be broken is, look at the bigger picture. We don't really have to go and confuse ourselves. This is a falling wedge, and if I just keep it simple and I talk about the falling wedge is meant for the prices to actually go back up. So that's why this resistance, that resistance, this resistance, all of these places, they're probably meant to be broken one by one in the future. How you do it, I don't know. Today, tomorrow, I don't know, but it's actually meant to happen, unless you don't see Lunar Classic coming down and go below the wedge as well, and that's it. This is game over. Actually, let me just tell you, if Lunar Classic does actually make it to 5,086, then that's it. Now some people are asking me, where's the technical target of 4,000? So back when we were nearly at 12 to 14,000, I gave you a 4,000 technical target, isn't it? And it was a technical target. And now I cannot be that perfect, but the prices did came down to 5,146. So it's still a big deal. If you didn't go to 44, that's okay. You still came to 51 all the way from 14,000. That is still something, but I'm still surprised considering the fact that there were a lot of stop losses here, and you still decided to push up without taking the stop loss. It really made a lot of sense to take that stop and go to even 4,400 and make a fake out of the wedge normally, and then try to push up. But you actually just pushed up from here. So I don't make the rules. If the market makers decided they're going to push it from there, they did it. And that's it for this update on Lunar Classic. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.